So I think that we're going to be flooded with all this rain if it doesn't stop soon. Yeah, tons and tons and tons of rain. The best thing about a storm is there's typically a rainbow, and in that rainbow there's a promise of hope, and there is life after a storm. So my hope is that we get a rainbow, which I think we will, and it'll just bring my heart hope, bring my heart beauty, balance, be great. Can't wait.
Hey guys, welcome back to the homestead. Just heading out to do morning chores this morning, and we've got a few surprise guests this morning. So, hello. There's my brother Tom and my brother Preston. They both flew in from Washington and Oregon to come out for Father's Day weekend. So they're going to be out here helping with the morning chores this morning as we head out and take care of the animals. So we'll go ahead and get started. Well, it is a beautiful morning today, but we're expecting some rain and thunderstorms later today, so gonna go ahead and try to get as much as we can done out here while we can. So, all right. All right. So you're gonna take that and go up to the meat birds up here.
Uh-huh.
And just open the door and then kind of pour it out in a circle in the middle.
Okay.
And they'll be fine. They're gonna try to run out.
Yep.
Because they're gonna be hungry. You gotta move them first. Yep.
They know what's coming.
There we go.
You want to be free?
Don't worry, they'll go back in when you put the food in there. They always come running out like they're gonna be free, and then they see the food and they go back in. All right. Moving on to all the chickens down at the coop. We've got all our baby meat chicks and turkeys down here, as well as our baby egg layers, which they're not so baby anymore, but good morning, ladies. You guys look like you're all set with food and water. They're gonna go outside, soak up some sunshine. All right, I gotta check in here. What's up, guys? Hold that. There we go. And that should be it. The rest can go back.
All right.
Good morning, little chickies. You guys want some breakfast? They all seem to be doing really well. The turkeys are always super curious. They're always looking out on the other side to say, hey, who's over here? Alright, so yep. Turkeys. Do you guys have some water? You just unscrew it and then fill it up with water and then put it back in on the right hand side with the turkeys.
Gotcha.
What's that for?
What?
What's that bowl for?
Got it.
There you go.
Put some more water in that.
Oh, you put it in for the chickens down here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They have water inside, but I'm sure they'll enjoy having water. All right.
It's clean. It's dirty.
Time
I have some dirty wild.
to get the other animals. Oh, you can't get the lid off?
No, I can't.
Eh. Make it look easy. Yep. When you do it all the time, you get used to it. Well, I can say this much. Sure is nice having my brothers out here. We haven't all been together since probably 2018. So it's been a good 6 years since we've all been in the same place together. So super exciting. And they're getting to see the farm. All right.
Take a little trip to the egg layers. Those are the meats. Touch the fence, see what happens. Dude. I think these ladies are hungry. Oh yeah. Who wants the grub? Alright, let's go. We are disconnected. We are good to go. Not to get fried. Alright. Here you go, test it out. Yeah. Come on, test it out. Grab it. You dummy.
Oh, just don't make sure you don't touch that black post, you get shocked.
Oh, there goes Toby.
Wild kittens.
You got a little tiger on your hands.
What's up, Toby? All right. There they go. Run, like gingerbread man.
We fed them.
All right. Hi, Jessica. You guys look good in here. Hi. You just hanging out. All right. Time to feed the pigs. Morning, pigs. You guys I know you guys are ready for breakfast.
Are you calling your pigs fat?
They are. They're probably over 400 pounds.
You forgot the green beans.
I don't give it to them all the time.
What about them nasty Brussels that you canned?
The Brussels sprouts probably will be out later today. Okay. Pigs are done.
Cock your own doodle lady.
So I think all that's left is to check the dogs and make sure the lambs have water.
Yeah.
Alright. There we go. Good boy, Toby.
Did you feed the ducks?
Yeah, they probably still have food left from yesterday. They don't eat a whole lot. See how the pups are doing this morning. They're gonna most certainly enjoy the rain later today because it'll probably make them help cool down a little bit. Good morning, pups. How are you guys doing? Well, you guys got some food. I know, you guys are excited.
I did. Oh, yeah.
Finley. Hi, Naya.
Hi, Naya. Hi, Finley.
Are you guys all happy?
Yeah.
Looks like we gotta get you some water. The morning chores sure go a lot quicker when you have help. So it makes it super easy.
feel like we have kinkation.
So like last summer, and we probably are okay to do it now, but last summer they just free range, like they just roamed the farm, and they just would go around and check out all the animals. I think you still got a kink.
Still got a kink.
All right. Hey, El Poquito.
El Joquito, you coming to make sure everybody's doing the chores right? Yep.
Hello,
Flop over.
it's me. And my other one.
All right.
Wow, done.
Did you see the kink?
Gotta put a little picture in. Gotta put a little thing in here like that. Big real farmer.
Good morning. How are you guys? I hope you guys are fabulous. So I'm going down to my garden because I've got to harvest some things. I was out here checking on my plants, and there's a few beds that I actually need to cover to prevent bug damage, because with the heat that's on its way, the bugs are on its way too. But I need to harvest some lettuce because I'm going to turn some beds. I also need to harvest some radishes so I can turn beds. So anyway, I thought I would bring you along with me. This is my romaine. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, beautiful. So I want to, hold on. I want to harvest these ones in this section right here. And then these ones are perfect. I might even pull a couple up from over here. But then I'm going to flip this and replant so that we can, well, plant more lettuce, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So many worms in the soil. It's awesome. Look at that. I think I'm going to need help getting all this lettuce in. Anyway, while I was out here, I thought I'd give a little garden update. My golden beets and my sugar snap peas, and then over there we have potatoes, and on the other side we have broccoli and cauliflower. Let's just walk over there. These potatoes were done bearing. There's no bugs, which I'm really happy about. We have these little blossoms on here. So what happens, these will bloom, the bees will come fertilize. When these begin dying off is when we'll harvest. This is broccoli. Of course, it's not done yet. It'll be blossom, and then later on it will give out fruit. But this obviously has a bug here that's been eating, but I checked thoroughly last night and I didn't see any eggs or any other remnants of bugs. The cabbage had bugs on it, and I went through and killed a couple caterpillars a few days ago, and these are just looking beautiful. That one looks a little ravaged. This is where I found the caterpillar, and you can see I've got, I think those are eggs in there or poop or something. I don't know what that is, but I'll probably end up pulling this one. Here's a caterpillar here. So when you come in and you see that, just look for that. Anyway, I have garlic scapes finally. So I have to harvest some garlic scapes. I don't know how to grow garlic. I've never grown it before. This is a hardneck variety. There's a garlic scape there. Some of the stalks seem pretty small compared to what I would think that a garlic stalk would be, but that's just me. This is a first-year bed too, so it could be lacking in nutrients. That's why you would see the yellow tipping maybe, because it's too early to harvest garlic. Garlic I wouldn't typically harvest till later in the summer, like August, September area. And then I would refill the bed, provide nutrients, and then replant before the first frost. So we got onions, they're doing a lot better. This is Swiss chard. These are radishes. I don't know that I'll grow these types of radishes again. I'm not really a fan, but I'm gonna harvest them all, only because some of them are going to seed. So I was in here aerating the soil. These are my cucumbers. They're doing amazing. This is one of the beds that I actually need to cover. The cucumbers I think will do much better if I cover them. My tomatoes, you can see the remnants of me trimming and aerating my tomatoes yesterday. Really, it was evening and the weather was perfect, no bugs. I was like, I'm gonna get out here. So I pulled a lot of I did some pruning, pulled some lower branches. I probably should have pulled this one here and pruned that one, but I can do that next time. It has nice, good airflow. It'll prevent blight. These onions are coming along nicely. These ones are too. It's hard for me to look at these kinds of things and not get discouraged like the little onions, but they take such a long time to develop. I need to wait and not be sad about it. These ones are doing much better compared to the last video. And I did prune them for airflow to prevent blight, and just all around we added the nitrates to the soil, and they just really flourished from there. So then I have replanted this area with onions. You can see those there. I was getting ready to drop out my remaining onions. But these onions are doing great. I do have a bug in this garden somewhere, and tell me if you know what kind of bug that is. Anyway, but it is eating. I don't foresee this artichoke actually doing anything. I didn't get it started soon enough. I think I have to start artichoke in February. It's slow growing, but these cabbages bug free and they're beautiful. And this is broccoli, also bug free and beautiful. So then over here, these are the tomatoes that we talked about last time. And if you remember, they were purpling, and I treated them with nitrates, an all natural solution for bringing in health and vitality to your soil. Anyway, it really, I think, saved most of them. Some of them are pretty rough, but they might turn around. I don't know. This is another bed that I would like to cover. These are my canning tomatoes. I did do the same for my peppers recently. They were purpling on this one. We have gotten a lot of rain, a tremendous amount, and more is coming. So one of the purposes of having a raised bed is being able to control that. Anyway, I treated my summer squash that are very immature with nitrates, and I think that will benefit those along with the green beans because they seem a little yellow to me. And then these baby cucumbers, and then the carrots that I companion planted next to the green beans. But yeah, it just seemed that they're a little yellow to me. And then these potatoes, which I still have not covered, which I don't know that I'll get to, are doing just fine. So, and then the upper paddock where I planted all the squashes and pumpkins and gourds, we'll have to go up there another day. But I just wanted to come and harvest the lettuce, chit chat with you all, and give you an update on how my garden is doing. It's a beautiful time of year. It's not too hot, but it's getting ready to get hot. So anyway, do you guys ever have those times in your life or moments in your life where your heart just feels bruised? That's where I'm at right now, and it's a weird place. I have so much to be grateful for, and I am grateful for, and I focus on that intentionally so that I have courage and positivity and feel encouraged, you know. But lately I have been feeling bruised, and I don't know if it's the month that I'm in, which probably is the case, or if it's something else, but I don't know. I just feel bruised on the inside, and so sometimes how I work through that is I come out and I garden. There's something about life balance. Sometimes you give to work, whether it be your dream or your job where you're providing for your family, or maybe it's your family that you pour out to, but you pour out and you pour out and you pour out in life, and then you become depleted and you feel hectic. Things feel hectic. Maybe you have children on a sports team, or maybe maybe your marriage is in a difficult spot, or maybe you've forgotten how to live purposefully and your life is filled with duty and obligation. I was yesterday out here mowing the yard, and I like to mow my yard because, well, one, I don't have a push mower, so that makes it nice, but two, I put my earbuds in and I sing worship music to the top of my lungs because nobody can hear me because that's the lawnmower, so it's great. And I was thinking while I was, mowing and when I wasn't singing, and I was thinking about how busy my life is and how my life needs equal balance with peace. So I'm going to make that my goal this upcoming week, is to equal out my life that has the busyness with the intended pursuit of peace. So I hope you guys do the same. Let me know what you do to find life balance. In the meantime, I'm going to take this lettuce, chop off the ends, clean it up, bag it up, and go give it away because it's in its prime place, and my hope is to bless another family with that. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. God bless you guys. Have a great day.